Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Blue Circle Quick Repair Concrete. First, prepare your repair area by thoroughly cleaning it. Remove all loose material, dust, and oil. Next, dampen the surface with clean water, ensuring it is moist but free of standing puddles. This step is crucial for proper adhesion and a strong bond. Make sure the area is structurally sound before proceeding. Now, let's mix the concrete. Use a clean mixing bucket and add about 1 part clean water. Then, gradually add 3 to 4 parts of the quick repair concrete powder. Mix continuously with a trowel or mixer until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency, similar to thick porridge. Do not mix for more than 2 minutes as it sets quickly. With your concrete mixed, apply it firmly into the prepared area. Use a trowel to press the material into place, ensuring good compaction and filling all voids. Level and smooth the surface to achieve your desired finish. Remember, this concrete sets very quickly, typically within 10 to 15 minutes, so work efficiently. After application, protect the repaired area from heavy traffic for at least 24 hours. For optimal strength, keep the concrete damp for the first few hours by lightly misting it. For repairs deeper than 25 millimeters, apply the concrete in multiple layers, allowing each layer to partially set before adding the next. This ensures a durable, long-lasting repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.